Okay, so here is the gift card holder that I made using new Pinkfresh Studio Merry Days stamps and coordinating die. Um, so again, it's very simple, and you can actually, to jazz it up a little bit, you can do the same design for the back of this gift card holder, and it will add interest to it even more. And on the inside, when you open it, you can write a message, or you can stamp some other images inside. Okay, so I hope you like this idea. Thank you very much for your time, and happy crafting. See you again soon. Bye.